Jesus Christ. God. You wonder why I never get to sleep. There she goes. Poor Edith. No. Oh, today is gonna be a fun one, I can tell.